So, have you ever had that moment where your heart starts racing, your palms get sweaty, and your mind gets into overdrive because you're faced with a situation that just freaks you the heck out? Maybe it's because of a big presentation, or you're walking down a dark alley. You know the feeling. Well, that's your body kicking into flight or fight mode. Okay, so your body has this ancient response that kicks in when you're in danger. It's like your brain goes, something's about to happen. And boom, everything gets ready for action. This is fight or flight response. But your body pumps out hormones like adrenaline and cortisol. Adrenaline makes your heart race, boosts your strength, and makes you feel like you could run a marathon or knock someone out. Cortisol, that's the stress hormone. It makes you hyper alert, focusing your attention on the danger. So adrenaline is like your body's turbo boost, your muscles get more oxygen, your lungs open up, and your senses become sharper. All of this helps you either run away from danger or face it head on. Now, in the past, this would have been great for surviving wild animals or any scary situation as such. But today, things have really changed. I mean, you're not really worried about lions, unless you really live somewhere with lions, I guess. Instead, we're dealing with modern stressors like tight deadlines, social anxiety, or the constant ping of emails and schoolwork. This ancient response still gets triggered by all kinds of stressors, like public speaking or getting stuck in traffic. It's like your body still thinks there's a tiger lurking, or even though it's just your boss looking at you funny. But here's the thing, when that fight or flight response gets stuck on high alert, like if you're stressed all the time, it can lead to bigger problems like anxiety or even panic attacks. Your brain starts overreacting to things that wouldn't normally trigger that fear response. And that's where things like mindfulness, breathing exercises, or even therapy can come to help to reset your system. So in a nutshell, the fight or flight response is a cool survival mechanism that's designed to keep us safe, but in our modern world it can sometimes get in the way.